So today I have my latest in beauty. It's a box that I get every month. You can buy single kind of individual boxes as and when you want, or you can sign up, and mine's is one of the old packages, so I still get 9 items, which is for £18, and it includes the postage and delivery, postage, packing, whatever. Can't get my words out today. So I still get 9 items for £18. So if I decide to stop getting it and then resubscribe, I would have to go into the new plan, which is 6 items. And then I think after 3 months you get your postage and packaging for free. So I think they're just trying to encourage people to be loyal subscribers. This was the first box that I ever got, and I remember writing down every item that was on it and going to find the prices. So back when I joined, a lot of the items stayed on for a long time, and anything that went on that was really good just flew. I've had some amazing products from this box, but then they introduced the Hall of Fame, which meant that there was this product every month and there was enough for everybody. They guaranteed it, so which is really fantastic. But I do find now they must have increased their quantities, because you can still manage to get some of the really good products that go on. It's not so much, panicking to try and sit and check when it's dropping, and they drop new things every week as well, so you can wait. It's up to you. If you think, oh, there's nothing this week, I might go next week. The only thing is you need to do it within your month. So if you go over, they'll send you a box, and I've seen those boxes that they send out and they're not always pretty. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I've got. And yeah, there's a couple items in here that are not what I ordered, but they've corrected it, so I'll tell you a little bit about those. And I'll pull those out first. It's the Umberto Giannini Colour Flowerology Iris and Rose Flower. So it's 97% natural products with colour rich shampoo. So these are for brunettes. I ordered blondes. I am not a brunette. I'm probably pushing it with a blonde. It's very dark blonde. So they're also cruelty free and loved by curls, which is fantastic. But I had to get in touch with them. I checked my order just to check that I hadn't ordered the wrong things, and I checked my order and I definitely ordered the blonde ones. So these are 250ml each, and I got in touch with them, and Megan got back and she was fantastic. She just asked me to send a photo of what was in my box, and I did that, and I also sent my order as well. So she came back really quickly and she said, look, there's no these are out of stock in the blonde, however I can send you 2 other items, so just pick. And I also got to keep these as well, which is fantastic. So what did I pick? I think I picked 2 of these that I'm going to show you just now. So it was very heavy on skincare in November, but that suits me because I love skincare. Skincare, hair care. Did I say skincare? Hair care. So I picked up the Happy Naturals Strengthening and Repair shampoo and conditioner. It says with suitably sourced avocado oil. They're vegan, recyclable, 97% natural. Tested on people and not animals, which is brilliant. Honest, effective ingredients. So a daily dose of positivity for you and the planet. So there is 300ml in here. So I've got these to try, and hopefully they don't make my head itch. I have actually moved to the conditioning bars, as shampoo and conditioning bars, but if these are kind of on offer, then I will pick them up because they're really good products. Are really good prices. So I ordered 2 more of those to replace the blonde ones that I didn't get. And my son's girlfriend's kind of brunette, so she'll use those up. I also picked up the Umberto Giannini Colour Foaming Orange Rosemary Volume Mousse. So it says repair, plump and enhance shine for full volume hair with rosemary leaf oil, wheat proteins, orange peel extract, pro vitamin B5 and vitamin A, and that is 150ml. But look at the packaging. The packaging's fab, isn't it? So I cannot wait to try that. 97% natural as well, vegan and cruelty free, even better. So yeah, I was really keen on the box this month because I did get a lot of hair products. So that's 5 hair products, and this one I got sent a sample of this from a friend, and it says it's a 10 miracle leave-in product. It was amazing. So I think I've not had my hair highlighted in about 2.5 years, but the last time I got my hair highlighted, like my hair feels really crap at first, really dry and horrible, and sometimes I kind of struggle, like, you know, to get a brush or comb through it or whatever. I sprayed this on and my hair was like silk, honestly, so I can really highly recommend it. I love it. So I will be putting that in my bathroom to use that, so that'll be going pretty quickly. I also picked this up, Rose Quartz Facial Cleanser with Ayurvedic saponins, lotus flower and chia oil. Concentrated facial gel that gently cleanses, respecting the skin's barrier. So what does that say? 99.9% natural ingredients. So I am looking forward to trying that. And love animals, suitable for vegans, high quality natural ingredients. So I'm just going to pop some. I know that not everybody's a fan of rose, but I just happen to love rose. Rose quartz, rose and lavender, I don't mind, I like them. It's not too strong in the rose actually, but oh, that smells lovely. Feels nice as well. I'm looking forward to using that. And next up, I got the vegan by Happy Skin, original skin, chamomile aloe vera juice, toner, alcohol free, so cruelty free as well. Alcohol can be really kind of astringent on the skin, so that's going to be nice and gentle. Looking forward to using that. I do like a toner. I use one twice a day. And what else did I get? Also my hair, my a little pop band. I don't know how that ended up in there. Must have fallen off the sofa. Ended up in that bag. So I picked up this, by Bye or Bybee, Bright Eyed Illuminating Eye Cream. So it brightens, and there's 50ml. I really do like that brand. I like the packaging as well. There we go. There is it. So that'll last ages actually. Eye cream and serums and toners are the things that I kind of, you know, never pass up when they're in this box anyway. I'm always running out of them. And it's kind of, it's like a kind of pinky colour. But that feels really nice. I always laugh because I don't know if you watch Lady Malwa, but she always talks about how this hand will be like gorgeous and young looking, you know, well this hand kind of doesn't get any attention, does it? We put all our products on this hand. It just makes me laugh when I do it myself. I think of Marcia. And there's a little freebie here, and it's Floral Street Arizona Bloom, cruelty free, inspired by London. I don't quite know what that means. Sustainably sourced ingredients and recycled packages. So it says, so there you go. So that's what the bottle looks like there. Isn't that lovely? I do like these Floral Street perfumes. So it says free spirited, euphoric, sunny, nomadic. Just love that picture of the blue sky and the flowers. It's amazing how the blue sky can make you feel happy. We've had snow. Oh, that smells really nice. Oh, I've just done you're not supposed to crush your perfume, are you? That's nice. Florally, if you like a floral perfume, I think you'd like that. So I love these little samply things. They're ideal. Say if you're going away or you've got a night out or something, or you're just going to work and don't want to take your perfume with you in your handbag, they're ideal for that. So I need to actually pull them all together so I can know where to find them. There's also a little welcome to Freshly Cosmetics, and it tells you about the future of cosmetics. So this is a company, and it's got a little thing to scan and go and find out some more, the natural way of making an impact on your skin and the planet. So I really do like that about Latest in Beauty. They do introduce us to some well-known brands, but they also introduce us to some new brands that we've never tried or never heard of. So I'm just going to go through it again. So brands that I've never tried or never heard of are the Happy Natural. So I'm really looking forward to trying the shampoo and conditioner. I don't know, but there's something kind of babyish about them, isn't there? Like, I feel like they're like kids shampoo. But I do like the packaging. I got the two Umberto Giannini brunettes, which I will pop in the bathroom for Antonia. Brandon's probably brunette as well. I was going to say Steve's dark brown, but he shaves it off. The vegan toner, the Rose Quartz facial cleanser, the Foaming Orange Rosemary Hair Mousse. It's a 10, really nice product. The Bye Bee or Bye Bye, the Bright Eyed Eye Cream, and the little freebie, which is the Floral Street. So I think that's fantastic. Love getting a freebie as well. So thank you for watching. If you got any of these items when you made your pick, as I say, I probably was quite late in picking, and then it sat there for quite a while because I needed a new tripod and I haven't been feeling very well. So yeah, I'm aware we're almost into December, and I'll be kind of making some picks. I'm going to wait and see what the Hall of Fame is as well. So thank you for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye guys.